Hi, I'm Maria Bailey of Mom TV, and we're here in New York City at the Toy Fair, discovering all the coolest and newest toys for you and your child, because we know you like to play too. And we're here in the Mega booth with Tanya, who is going to tell us about this really cool new product for the preschool set, and it's called Billy Beats Dancing Pianos. So tell us a little bit about it.
So we are really excited for the Billy Beats Dancing Piano because we think all of it's a one plus item, so kids are gonna, I think they're gonna love it. So Billy Beats basically is the first introduction of lights and sounds in the first builder's line. So as you can see here, you can open them up. There's 8 blocks that are included, and of course you're gonna want to play music. So there are blocks that have already pre-written notes on them, so that your child can learn how to play a specific song. There's 3 different ways to play with Billy Beats. There's Teach Me mode. This is where the keys light up and you follow and you press them. There's Free Play mode where you just make up your own songs, you dance along, and of course you can read the music. And then there's all the wacky sounds that we have. So there's 8 pre-recorded songs. There are wacky DJ sounds, there's animal sounds, and 8 songs, like I said. You can build on his hat. You can build on the keys. These keys don't come off. You have to press them. Those are the piano keys, but you can build on top of them. And this should be tons of fun for kids. Like I said, 1 and up. The price point is $39.99, and it's just a lot of fun for the dancing and the sounds. There's actually 2 different volume levels, so you can go loud and you can go low.
There you go. As always, you guys think of everything.
Thanks.
And once again, the storage area, that's always important with anything that's mega blocks, and you always allow us to buy one thing and keep adding on. So love it, and it's going to be available in stores when?
In the fall.
In the fall, and all major retailers.
All major retailers should have it. So look
Great.
out for it.
Well, thank you. And again, it's Billy Beats Dancing Piano. I'm Maria Bailey at Toy Fair. Thanks for joining us.